What up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, what up, Dreamer? Boom! Don't forget to like and subscribe. I like it. Boom. I'm just getting all my stuff set up. What up, Joe? All my stuff set up. What up, Joe? The fuck happened? Joe? I got to bring up the stream on another. I have to bring up the stream on another window. Otherwise, I don't have, what do you call it? Admin control of certain stuff. What up, Maria? Yo, how did StubHub go? How was StubHub? I'm curious. Good morning, Josh. Good morning. Good morning. What was did it come out? They gave you one share? I'm just curious, did it go up or down? What up, Jim? So that sucks. And what'd you get it at? What was the price you got it at? I mean, one share doesn't matter. You know, like I got that Fig one share and I just held it to not because they don't want you to sell in the first 30 days. Yeah. I think it has to do with portfolio size, possibly. I'm gonna try taking a random bounce here. I think it has to do with one, portfolio size, and two, Sigma Blowfin. Yo, yo, I'm on YouTube right now if you can't see the chat. Holy shit, man. You got me. Check my DMs. Did you just slide into my DMs? Did you just slide into my DMs? I'm looking. I don't even see it. You slid in my DMs, dude. Oh, there you are. Doing too many things. We did not bounce. We did not bounce. Dude, are we going to sell this whole fucking move off? I would short this if we got up higher. I actually crushed it overnight. I absolutely crushed it overnight. What up, Delco? It's Mobro. Dude, they just sold this the fuck off. That's crazy. Boom. What up, Andy? Yo, what up, Tyler? Yo, that's what's going on. Trump be talking in the UK. Bro, what is he talking about? What's on the agenda? Is he like China? China. What is he talking about over there? By the way, so crazy. I'm moving off E-Trade for the first time in 8 years? I've been on E-Trade, even longer maybe. I was on E-Trade from 2017 till now, and I'm trying to think if I was on there prior. I might have had an account in E-Trade since 2010. I'm finally moving off E-Trade. It's crazy. Crazy. I requested my money today. I still got a couple things to sell out. And yeah. It's a crazy day. It's so weird. I know it may not seem like much to you guys, but like when you're trading on a platform for so long and then you're just shifting off, it's so crazy. Who's taking this? I might just. Why is VWAP? I'm going to Tasty Trade. So Tasty Trade offers a little bit more margin, and then they do they call it a portfolio margin. Obviously, I'm not going to do it all, but they basically will give you up to, I think, 7x margin or something like that. Not that I want it. Yeah, for stocks and options. Not that I want that much margin, but it's very interesting to me. I would probably use 3x. Dude, I got my fucking mouth all in it, Tyler. Got my mouth all over it. It's crazy. I'm still using Robinhood for the IPO access. None of the other ones offer IPO access like Robinhood does. But other than that, I'm moving off. Also, their margin rate, I think, is like 8% compared to E-Trades. E-Trades is higher. So, it's just less margin rate, higher margin. You have to maintain a larger balance than what E-Trade has, but it's not. I fit that. Basically, you have to start with at least 170 grand, and you got to always maintain 150,000 in the account for that portfolio margin. But Maria, I'm always going to keep the Robinhood account because those IPOs are pretty good that come out. Not when you get one share, but you know, I don't know about you, but I crushed it on what was the one that we crushed it on? Like I think it was Bullish, the Peter Thiel company. That was a quick, I think it was like $2,800. But yeah, so I just requested my first batch of money today to get the account open, and I just got to sell out of a couple of things and it has to settle. And by tomorrow, I should probably be moving the rest over. Awesome. Yo, the shitty part about this whole move down is literally I was going to fucking short right here. That's the fucking craziest part about it. Fucking really grinds my gears. All right, what do I got to trade today? I got to trade in all these things. I think I actually got rid of these two. I unlinked them, so it's only the funded accounts. The other one didn't unlink yet. Dude, people fucking calling me this early? Oh, look at this bad boy. Yo, who's taking this? Who's fucking taking this one? I want to see a little bounce. Is this on the 4 hour too? No. Yo, honestly, this would be the fucking best. Right here and then down. Yo. This is what I'm thinking about right now for today. Oh, I just realized it's 9:08. You still got an hourly fair value gap that was created at 93. I think they're gonna bounce it. I think you get a little bounce here. Dude, this guy. My friend. My friend is doing fractional CTO work, so he's setting up his website. I think we're going to hit all the way back up. I think we're going to go up to like 97 and then down. I hate trading pre-market, by the way. Just a quick scout, get some bucks back. But I think this is what I'm looking for. I don't want to see us get back over 710. I think if we could trade back up and down. The problem is, this is the true problem. This candle's either going to close up or way down because we open in 20 minutes. We open in 20 minutes, but this is still what I'm looking for. That would be the boom, 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 boom. I'll tell you what, the overnight long was easy money. That was fucking easy money, by the way. That's where I pretty much made the majority of this. I took it at, we were at 508. I should have just held on. Yo, what do you think? You think crypto fucking rips? I'm hanging in a so long. So long. Just watching, waiting. Got a little inversion right here. Maybe for a quick play up. For a quick Papadoo. I'll play one. Move my stop right there. What am I risking here? I am risking 11 points to make 14. Let's see what happens. Pump it for me. Pump it. Pump it. Give me just, I'll just take that. Pre-market. Take my fucking money. Oh. What's crazy is I fucking stacked the long and took the loss like a freaking idiot. And here we are. Oh, what up? What's up? What up, everybody? Who's in here? Reveal yourself. Anybody take any trades overnight? Oh, fuck. Oh, luckily the settings didn't fuck up. Holy shit. I thought I just messed that up. All right, new rule. Watch this. New rule. If you didn't say hi, do not enter. If you didn't say hi this morning, don't enter. Not enter. Do not enter. Do not enter. Let's see who's in here. Let's see who's in here. Good morning, DB. What up, Ron? How are you guys doing this morning? Guys at work, trading, off. It's Thursday. Stochastics, man. Oh, did you why did you set this one up? Good morning, Monet. Is this what you set up over here? The design knob setup? Yeah, we flushed it down here right before open. That we did. Good morning, Ali. Yo, how did your request come out? How was your request, Ali? Tell me you took it. Tell me you took the money. Boom, 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 boom. Who do we got? Simone Rhoda? Looking Cash. The NQ is in here. Who else is in here? Romeo. How do I think the open will be? It's just going to sound so crazy. I would not be surprised if we go red today. So we're up 222 points. What's up, Donna? Watch us go red. Just saying. It'd be very, very interesting. I'm just going to take one and let's see what happens. Being that it's pre-market, I would take any money here. Not only is it pre-market, this is also a funded account. So I'll take a quick 80. I'm just kind of reducing my freaking thing. Yeah, so NVIDIA had news this morning. NVIDIA is investing, I think it's $5 billion into Intel. And Intel was up like 26% at one point. NVIDIA was up a couple percent. And then AMD took a dump. That was the pre-market news. What, the news? I think it just, the news came out, I think it was somewhere around here, maybe. Trump's talking right now. I mean, it could bring you anywhere at that point. Who knows what he's saying? You know what's been quiet? The China tariff talk. I want to get this one. What do I need right now? I need $380. I want to get it over halfway. $380 gets me over halfway, and then I can basically pass it the next day. Dude, you know what's crazy? I got my first so I never really traded with Trade Day. So I passed my first Trade Day account yesterday. Dude, they make you take like obviously you just hit the button, but they make you take a course after you pass. I was like, what is this? And it's like they talk about rules and like wash sales and all this like wild shit. And I'm like, dude, I'm just gonna YOLO. Yeah, so if you pass a Trade Day account, they make you take it's like 10 minutes of just hitting the button because all you're doing is hitting like next session complete, next session scroll down complete, next session scroll down complete. But you got to actually physically do it. It's freaking crazy. It was crazy. I was like, what is this? I was literally like, what is this that you're making me do? What up, Knob? Yo, I'm just gonna go get a quick water. Hold on, I'll be right back. And I'm putting this shit in the dishwasher. Not the dishwasher, the sink. What up, Knob? Yo, what up, Alcy? Oh, Charles is in here. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, Zelda, are you trading right now? Yo, what up, Chris? Zelda, are you in anything? Just watching? Just watching me? Are you trading today, though, or are you just hanging? Dude, I had my coffee this morning, Chris. Man, coffee's so good. You can't place orders. Why can't you place an order on what's wrong? Why can't you place an order? All right, hold on one second. Nah, I just did. I'm on. It's web based, so we're all on the same thing. Did you blow the account? What's my plan for today? I think we're gonna sell off personally, but who really knows? But yeah, I kind of like the downside today. I am account not blown. It's an eval 3. Dude, that's so easy. It's almost too easy. I mean, oh man, my dude soul is breaking out. You know what's interesting? Solana, which is crypto, is breaking out. I wonder if the market follows crypto up or it also just everything dumps. It would just be weird for crypto to move up and not the market go up, especially the NQ. You know what I'm saying? Why you up so early today? You mean like awake? Why am I awake? Is that what it is? Like, or why are my accounts up? My accounts are up because I posted in the Discord at like 6 p.m. saying I was going long at 508 at 24,508, and I went long, and we fucking crushed it. Whoever was in the Discord crushed it. I think BK took it. I took it here. I took it here. No streaming. I'm up. You know why? I can't stream through the day. I gotta stop for lunch. What part of the world do I live in? I'm in New York. What part of the world do you live in? I don't know how you missed it. We were fucking. It was awesome. Such a good hit. Oh, you're over in PA? Nice. I used to live not too far from New Hope. I have everything set up already. Why did it fucking freeze though? What the fuck just happened again? I'm getting fucking so many errors. Oh no. Oh no. 30? Hold on 1 second. Fuck. Dude, there's a massive fucking. Dude, there's a massive problem with Quant Tower out the gate recently. Anybody use Quant Tower? Anybody use Quant Tower here? What's up, Chris? Um, dude, I got so many fucking errors today. I'm going to show you all the fucking errors that I just received. Oh, I got to show you on here. Rejected, refuse, rejected, refuse. I made a little bit of money, but I should have made a lot more. I don't know what I'm going to do. The problem is, I don't know if it's my internet or I don't know if it's because I'm streaming that it's a little delayed when I don't know what the deal is. Maybe I can't be streaming why I do this just because maybe it's delayed. There's too much on my computer going on. I don't know. I just shut it all off. I just shut it. I shut the whole thing off. So it is what it is. Funded accounts made like $100 in 4 of them, and I'm out. Dude, have you logged out, logged back in? This reeks of June. Yo, I'm just placing a fucking options trade on this shit right now. I basically just collected some premium. You can't connect to your DX feeds to Ninja? DX feeds connect to Quant easily. I've never connected one to Ninja, to be honest with you. I'm just kind of watching. Watching, waiting. DXP doesn't connect to Ninja. Oh, well, that makes sense. I know it connects to Quant Tower. Oh my god. Bro. I posted this in the Discord also for any of you guys that trade crypto. Boom. I'm up. I bought it yesterday, up 335. It requires a plug. Oh, a plug in, but it doesn't work. It doesn't even work if you I don't know. I don't know. Dude, that's so weird that your Apex doesn't work. I don't know why your Apex would not work. Seems kind of weird. Seems kind of weird that Apex does not work for you. Anybody else? Can you trade on Apex? Anybody? So you can look at some of the higher time frames here. Yo, the market makers are after you. Yo, they got him, Sean. They got him. Was yo. So I'm on Ninja Trader and Tradeivy, Chris. I have Ninja Trader up. I have my copy trader going on Ninja. I'm freaking locked. I'm locked and loaded. Poker was good last night. Yeah, wait for your setup. Holy shit, they just dumped this thing. Yo, what state are you in, Chris? Morning, Steven. Yeah, what state are you in? Ah. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just waiting. I have this weird feeling we go red today. You travel. What do you travel so much for? I'm over the road trucker. Oh, you're a trucker, Chris? Dude, this thing's just dumping out. I'm going to take a shot on this to the downside. I can't take it here. I want to see it come up just a little bit. Just give me a little bounce. Just give me a little bounce. A little bounce to do. Here we go. Fuck, my drawdown's not much in this account. Come on. Dude, how often do you come to Long Island? I feel like there's not a big need out in Long Island. Like, there's no big highway, obviously, through Long Island. Same reason you probably, be glad you don't have to come to Long Island. Fuck. Got to go through the city and shit. Yeah, there's some yeah. I'm going to take Come on. Come on. Just do it. Just do a quick little bounce. Uh I'm basically all in on this account. $621 has, yeah, probably around 620, 621 maybe. I got stopped out of Seoul for a couple bucks. Come on, keep going. Took it. Out in Maspeth? Yeah, that's out there. That's out there, out there. Dude, I'm just freaking. What do I want to do? 0.65. See what happens. Let's see what happens. This the move for the day? Don't feel like you're missing anything, man. There's always moves. There's moves that happen all day. I'm just trying to get my fucking screen up here that I want. Come on. Should have taken my money. Come on. This is it for this account. This account is kind of done. It's either going to go or this account's gone. It's having fucking trouble, though. It's definitely having some trouble. Come on. Come on. Keep it fucking going. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, this has got more juice in it. Yo! Straight banger. Straight up banger. Bro. Easy peasy, man. Easy peasy. Holy shit. Dude, that was crazy. Man, I am just clearing. I am literally just fucking clearing house on my shit right now. Dude, that was a banger fucking trade. What are you so close to a 25? How much more do you need, TJ? Yo, Monet, that was a balloon move. That was a balloon move if I've ever seen one. Yo, that balloon gif is like my favorite gif. That might be my favorite fucking gif. Yo, what up, Flip? Oh, I'm just watching. I need to do $600 more in this fucking other account. Dude, I don't even know how I look at my fucking orders on this Robinhood app. This Robinhood app is so like I get why everyone uses it, but shit, it's so fucking bad. Oh, I only meant to hit one. Fuck me. I meant to hit one. Uh how can I get out? I gotta get out fucking even. Okay. I only wanted one. Only wanted one. Come on. Dump it fucking down. Come on, keep going. Dude, I should have kept the other one. I should have kept the other one. Yo. I'm going to hold on to this one. I am just fucking clearing house of everything. I'm in the process of moving my accounts off everything and going to Tasty Trade. So I got to sell everything today because it's going to take time to clear. How do you set up the quads? I should just make a video about it today. I will credit Design Knob, which credits the other guy, but I'll make a video about it today. Holy shit, they just ripped it. I'll make a video about it today. I'm just fucking withdrawing. Yeah, I'll make it. I'll go over the settings that I'm literally just saying what Design Knob said. I'm not taking credit for any of it. I just have it up on my screen so I can do it and use it as a spot. Because you're like the third person that asked in like 2 days. So it's just easy to be like, hey, here's the video. If you want real fast, you could just screenshot this. Just screenshot it. Pause the video, screenshot. But yeah. I will say for a day that I'm just selling everything out and moving my account over, still stacked a quick 400. Oh, you're on a phone? Yeah. I'll make a video about it. What up, Bartolo? Hold on, my fucking alarm, dude. Hold on, my alarm. I gotta fix my alarm. Hold on 1 second. I still didn't fix this shit. This is one of the things I gotta do later on. I'm back. Yo, I gotta fix the alarm during lunchtime. Just another thing. I tried to screenshot. Yeah. I'll make the video for everybody. I mean, super easy. Why not, you know? Yeah. But he's not the last person to ask, Knob. He will not be the last person to ask. Also, you can adjust things if you want, like the colors and shit, and make it look better for your charting purposes. I would say at the bare minimum, that's at least I'll peek just to see. Also, you got to remember, like I've always had this at the bottom of my screen. So I've always liked stochastics. You know, it's not something new to me. Like I've always had stochastics at the bottom, which that's what this was kind of for, was to keep me out of bad trades. I'm not taking trades based on it, but it's to keep me out of, you know, like I wouldn't be going long right here, you know, just based on where we are and that we're crossing down. So that to me was something cool because it was like another check for me. You know, I would like to make a trade in this account. I'm like halfway to payout. Yo, good job, Bartolo. Yo, watch this. If we sweep through, this would be a scalp, by the way. I'm just watching. What up, Mr. Mulatto? What up, man? I mean, the market's showing some good strength here. I am not. Oh man, bottom of my foot. Um, Yo, Bartolo, man, I'm just here to hang out. You're the guy hitting the button, dude. That's all on you. You did it. I'm just here. I don't know. As I'm here as a moderator. I'm just here so I don't get fined. No, I appreciate it, man. I try to help out anybody that asks, and I'm glad you're getting paid, man. That's awesome. It seems like you're on a really good roll, and just keep it going, dude. You know? Yeah, you're the guy that's hitting the button. Um, yeah. It is cool to see people in the chat though, turning things and having it click and watching people getting paid. You know? You did it. You did it, Bartolo. Oh, man. But yeah, so that's awesome. Yo, there's a couple of people. Ali just scored a massive hit. Bartolo's been getting paid out. Dude, this thing's not stopping. That's awesome, man. Just keep it going. I bet you that you're trading micros. Why do I feel like you're trading micros? Trading micros? Dude, that's massive. You could pull that all out soon, I assume. You got to be at what? Payout 4 or 5 by now? Yeah, micros. Yo, look, here's an example for everybody that thinks they need to trade minis. He has a 25K Apex account and his P&L is up 19,000 and he's just trading micros. Oh, you're trading 2 micros at a time? It's crazy. Two micros, or you're about to do a number 2? Yeah, that's awesome, man. It goes to show you, you don't need to put on massive size. You know, people always think, oh, you need 5 minis and this and that. Like, you really don't. This was such a fucking clean move. Oh, you got your second payment? All right, so a couple more, and you're going to take a massive payday. So we just swept London highs, 332. You got denied? Why? I'm just curious. Why'd you get denied? Yo, Sean, I wish I backed up the fucking truck. I wish I freaking sold my house and went all in on that. Yo, I'm looking for the downside right here, by the way. Dude, there's a little fair value gap at 734. We invert that to the downside. I'm taking this. Where did this bounce come from? I don't know. I mean, if you look, I mean, this was the move. I took it off of one, it bounced off the pivot point. 2, you had a nice inversion right here, and then my stop, like it was a pivot point. It was a whole number, and you had a nice inversion to the upside. You also, if you look, see the 15-minute orb closed, and then you went below the 15-minute orb and then back through. So there was just a lot of things that I liked about it. You got to remember how fast this shit moves. I don't have time to be like, my copy trader wasn't set up, but I made money. Oh yeah, improper risk management will get it. See, now you're hitting a pivot to the upside right here. I just want to see it return to the 9. I'm at break even. That was a quick 109. I don't know. I'm trying to think what the consistency rule is on a. It might keep going. I'm just watching. If it starts getting back up here, I have no interest in it. If it goes over 55, I have no interest in it. You know, if this candle goes red, I will grab and I will stop out right there. The tight stop. Tight stop. I'm risking 4 points to possibly make a lot more. It's got to get under the purple line, though. We're riding the trend. We have to get under this purple line. Drop under it. Need this to go under 42. Come on. Come on. Under 42, we get fucking paid. Come on. Come on. We start to drop here or come around 42. I'm going to move my stop to break even, and then it's free. Come on. I don't like this. Come on. You got to make the move now. Otherwise, we're going to get stopped out. Otherwise, we're just consolidating here for another push up. You need to get under 42. Nah, this isn't looking good. Nope. I just moved. I'm risking 2 points now. Yeah, I'm out because it's going to get pushed up. See? Risk management could still drop, but I would have got stopped out. I would have got stopped out all the way up here, right? So I saved myself 4 points. I just saved myself $80. How many trades do I normally take? I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes a lot, sometimes a little. Depends on, I'll sometimes just scalp here and there, or I'll say I'm not taking this in a funded account because it's not a funded account trade. But I want to see kind of what happens. I'm okay doing scalping here and there. I know it's not for everyone, but it definitely is worth it to me. But yeah, I mean, I could have switched long right there, I guess, because it was going to consolidate and push. I just didn't. I can't buy long all the way up here. It's not really what I do. hard to buy all the way up here. So I'm trying to think, what is the consistency rule? So 30%. So I can only make $450 in this account a day. Yo, Sylvia, I mean, listen, if you're done for the day and you made money, that's awesome. You don't have to keep trading. You definitely don't have to keep trading. I think you're right, John. Nah, Waldo. I think they close it automatically for you. Some firms, though, if you leave it open, will cancel the account. Just just letting you know. Don't just leave your shit open all the time. Um, I mean, PA might be this good tomorrow. Sylvia, you just gotta play whatever's given. You know, if it's good, you play it. If it's not good, you just kind of leave it alone. That's weird, Waldo. Little ghost order action. The ghosts. Um, you know what I'm gonna do today? Because I haven't done it in a little bit. I'm right. I mean, if people are so focused on, oh man, the PA, like, listen, you can't control it. You're worrying about something that you can't control. So you're just wasting just time and energy on shit that you can't control. Just, hey, whatever the market gives you, it gives you. If it's going good, trade it. If it's going like shit, don't trade it. I mean, that's how I see it. I'm just looking real fast at something. Let's see what happens. Just think, I mean, this thing's just going for it. I mean, this is all-time highs. I mean, we were literally in at the bottom. I mean, I sold like up here right before we got to VWAP, which to me is a great sell. I mean, who knew it would come all the way up? Plus, I would have sat down in, I don't know, 50 points worth of drawdown. Should have YOLO'd with my moon helmet. I love my moon helmet. Man, this is just freaking crazy. I'm just watching. I ended up getting rebuild by 2 Apex accounts. So I have 2 evals, and that's kind of, I'm testing something on one of them. We'll see what happens. It's so weird of a day for me today because I am not buying any options today or stocks or I'm not doing any of it. I literally sold out of pretty much everything today. And now I transfer my account. Oh, man. I only took this because we fell back under the pivot point and you had an inversion. And I want to say we're going to hit somewhere around here at least. I'm going to let this one down here and I'm going to move it to break even. See, now I'm moving my stops. Oh, fuck. I'm going to have a lot of. I got to switch back and forth between. Come on. Come on. Make the fucking move down. This starts going red down here. I'm going to move my stop lower. See? I want to see it move down. I don't want to see us keep popping our fucking head up. No. Nah, it's not ready to drop. Nope. Dude, is this going to fucking just keep going? This is going to be a wild move. No, we're back above this pivot point. It's cranking. I'm not going to touch this. I wonder if we just grind up all day long. How's that sound? This might be the most fucking stupidest move ever in life. See, I liked it. See, this was the high. We came back and sold through that. Like, to me, that would have been an awesome short, to be honest with you. Look, dump through it and come back down to like 714. I'm just going to take my fucking money. I hate being up here. What up, Tigo? I don't like any of this. Yeah, I'm not a fan of trading all-time highs. All-time highs is rough. You might full port short. Yo, what up, La Rosa? maybe. I'll be honest with you. There's nothing where I could be like, yo, this was the high. Like, I would say that's a logical point to take one if you wanted to do it. Um, I would say two things, Jim. One, that would be a logical point if you wanted to test it. Two, I think at some point between now and 11:30, we're going to get the top of the market for the day. I think somewhere between the next hour, we're going to get the top. I mean, you're getting close. It better be powerful. Yeah, I don't know, man. I would just want some confirmation if I was going short. Like when I took a quick short, we had an inversion plus we fell through a pivot point. It just seemed like a good spot to take one. Um, that was my thought. But then once we reflipped it and got back over the pivot point, like I'm out. I'm out. I don't need to stay in. I'm gonna have to trade these. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I am I am down to my last fucking position. This is all I got left. It's all I got left. Still up 654 today. But that's all I got left. I'm actually going to hang in that one till at least Friday or Monday. Man, it's just going for it. It's Yeah, I mean it did, but I mean, listen, you can't. There's one or two things. Yo, Brandon, I was long at 508 when the market opened yesterday. It happens. It just listen, logically, who would think, you know, it's just cranking right now. I need a pullback or I'm only looking to play short right now. Like I can't sit here and play fucking longs. I just can't. You know, for me to get long, like I want to see a pullback. And you know what? If I don't make a trade, I don't have to make a trade. Like it's one of those things. It's just kind of like you don't have to do it. There's no forcing you to make a trade here. You know, I mean, what up, Matthew? I think I'm going to get a quick scalp here. I don't want to see it get a back through the imbalance. I'm playing that we drop under the imbalance and come through. I don't want to see us go back over it. Ah, fucking so tight. Stupid. I'm so worried that they're just going to jack it the fuck back up. It's going to come all the way down to 61. I'm just going to leave it. See, this is the problem when I try scalping. I don't want to take too big of a loss scalping because it's just that's exactly what it is. It's supposed to be a quick in, out, get paid. And I end up putting my stops too short that like I should have made money on this whole move. And now I'm just getting like little fucking nickel and dimes. And watch, I'm going to get stopped here. I'm going to end up red on a fucking move. I'm red on a move that I should have been, you know, easily $200. Oh, so stupid. I don't know if it gets back over this. How's that sound? Come on. Come on. Yeah, John. Fucking come on. All right, that was a good fucking trade. I got all my money back on this bullshit that I did. And I think I made 200 and something here. Fucking redemption. It could easily bounce. I mean, this is the 34. Could easily bounce here all the way back up. You know, I got it. I got in. I got out. I made up for that one mistake. I made up for the mistake. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to call that revenge trading because the move is down to the 34 at least. You know, most likely it's going to hold this green line. If it doesn't, it's probably going to hold this blue line. And then we're going to probably trade in this area for a little bit. What up, Marie? I could tell by how you typed that you're up a couple LUs. How many LUs are you up? What are you up? Nah, my stop was tight. The read was down. My stop was way too tight. Look at that. Right to the fucking dot. Just tight ass stops. Tight ass stops. Tight stops kill me, although sometimes it saves me. Boom, 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 boom. Is it going to go through? Ooh. I want to see what we do here because I wouldn't be surprised if they sell this further down. So fucking risky. Come on. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to pop open my fucking. I need my wealth charts. Gotta stay under that. Gotta stay under. Oh, I just got fucking roasted. I have a feeling the top's in. I have a feeling the top is in. Dude, symbol info, search symbol. I don't know. I have a feeling we're going lower. That's all. That's my gut. We can keep going up. My gut is that we go down. I don't know, man. It's probably going to close somewhere around here. Right? You got 7 more seconds. I'm looking for that whoosh. I'm looking for the whoosh. The just the flush. I want to see a flush. Give me the flush, baby. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. You got to get down to at least here. Come on. You got at least another 6 points in you. All right. I sold out a third for 100. Now I'm at break even, right? Now we can't lose. Come on. Get through the 50. Fucking do it. Come on. Come on. Get through, baby. Come on. Push it. Push it through this 50. Push it. Oh, no. No. Boo. Boo. Someone boo it. Boo. Come on. Ah, I actually got that in my wealth charts account. My wealth charts account, as someone said yesterday. I am thinking. Honestly, it looks like it's changing course back to the upside. That's what this looks like. Looks like they're going to trade it back up to like 89. Oh my God, dude. Somebody just got fucking Somebody just got taken for. They just went long and just got freaking shellacked real quick. Hope. What up, Anderson? Let's see. Does he come back? Somebody bought the breakout. Oh no, he doesn't. He, I feel like he's been short the whole time. Yeah. Yo, I heard if you just keep DCAing one micro, eventually it works out. They're gonna just jack this thing all the way up. The old 89. Bro. Loves him, man. I mean, it might work out. Seems like everyone's long. Yo, it seems like everyone's long. I just, I don't know. Listen, maybe they're all right. I just, I wanted to short the top, but didn't because of discipline. I would have shorted right when you came back through the imbalance. This was the imbalance. When you came back through, that was my I like it more to the downside. It kind of looks like it's just gonna sell off, maybe all the way down. Not that I'm holding it all the way down, but someone longed at 809, Sean. Fucking why? Why would you long it at over 800, to be honest with you? Like, were you not like you had all this other opportunity to long and you decide to fucking wait until you're up? You decided until it's up fucking, I don't know, 300 and something points on the day to be like, yo, this is a good spot to long, guys. Might work out. Dude, if this thing could get back over 74, it probably goes. Give me one big whoosh. Come on, right here. Oh, I went to fucking take some. I want the whoosh. Give me the whoosh. Come on. I need you to woosah it. Come on. I scalped it for 200 in fucking wealth charts. This is not what I wanted to see. Come on. Just unload it. Just a quick fucking unloading down to like 37. I need that quick unloading. Go. Push it. Push it. Come on. Grab everyone's stop and just go, bah. Come on. It's hanging on by a fucking thread. Are you fucking shitting me? Dude, I'm out of this thing. I just got out. I got out in a little game. Why? I don't. Maybe I'm just not seeing the long. Maybe it pops. It's not like my setup isn't to buy down here. I would want to see it get back over. Like now it's starting to look good, showing a little strength here. But I'd want to see it back over like I just have this weird feeling they're just gonna fucking I got it. This is a small position, super tight. Risking Yo, you should tell all those guys that went fucking long that we got some room on the stream for them. We got some room on the stream. I don't know what they all. I have no idea what they're even looking at to go long. There's. I just don't get it. I just don't. I just don't see it. I just don't see it. Bro, those guys all smoked. All smoked. All smoked. Dude. I just don't see why any of them would go long there. Like any of them. It's not just me. It's just not one. Fucking three of them all going long. I don't think this is going back up today, Sean. I don't know. We're coming close to a pivot point right here, so you probably get a bounce. So stupid. Like whoever watches that shit and like is like following, just tell me your address. I'll go kick you in the nuts. It's the same thing. I'm gonna get stopped out for a game. Yeah, I saw that, but dude, it looks so small. Bro, that was like 20 fucking points. That's crazy. Yeah, I always tell people I would not copy. I would not copy anyone you see on the internet. I would learn I would just learn how to trade yourself using their foundations, their strategies, maybe their indicators, and not just one person. Like grab it from all different places and be like, hey man, this is what I like here, this is what I like, and then you kind of form your own thing. Dude, why can't I can I just click this? Let me see. I'm trying to do this on my fucking 1017. Let's see what happens here. Yo, what up, Steve? Got that pump clean? Sean, the guy's praying. It's a prayer. I mean, and if people are stupid enough to follow, I you can't help people like that. You just can't. What up, John? Yo, Bull Nuts is 91% off, baby. Code Cove Trader, 91% off Bull Nuts. Oh, you know what? Maria. Where's Maria at? Maria wanted one. Dude, how am I going to at Maria? My code's back. Well, you asked for $16 accounts. Just remember the activation. So, yo, let's pump the brakes for 1 second. If you pass, the activation is super high. It's like $150. But the account is $16. And I think Elite is doing a $16 account also. So Bull Nuts is a one-time $150. Elite is monthly $80. I'm just letting you know. I'm not a huge Bull Nuts fan. I'm just letting you know because you asked me about it. I'm not a huge Bull Nuts fan only because the activation fee is super freaking high. What up, Fred? Oh, if you just passed the TPT account, focus on that one. That has no activation fee, Maria. You just won it. No, Maria, no. No, it's not. No. So scroll down when you go to pay, and there should be a thing that says credit, and you use the credit. Yeah. So scroll down. There's a thing that says credit. Yeah, check it out. If you scroll down, you should have a credit, and it should be 0. If you bought the account using coupon code Cove Trader, you should have a credit there, and you should be fine. You got to get over 26,500. That's the buffer, and then you just take daily withdrawals, and the trailing stops once you're over 26,500. There's no more trailing drawdown. So I mean, you're at work, but when you get a chance, I want you to go look at it. I want you to go look at it, and I want to make sure you see the credit there. Because if you don't see the credit, let me know. I just want to make sure you have it. No problem. I just want to make sure that you don't pay for it. It should be free. That, it's a lot of money, so I want to make sure that it's free. People, anybody on the chat, like if you buy a TPT and you use my code and you pass, you should pay no activation fee. The activation fee is 0. Do not pay it. I just want to let you guys know. Do not pay an activation fee. You scroll down and there'll be a credit, and you click the credit. You do pay with credit, and you'll have it for free. Yeah. Yo, I'm glad you let me know. I'm glad you let me know because, yeah. Anytime something doesn't look right, guys, let me know. But that happens a lot to people that do take profit trader. I started loading back up on take profit trader accounts. TPT won't let me be. Dude, look at that. Right off the freaking. This market doesn't look right. It's definitely yo, just make sure when you go to the pharmacy, use coupon code CoveTrader and he'll clear you right up, Sean. Yeah, no, Harris, I think this has been great. Yo. Oh man. Do I just take this freaking money real quick? Yo, I just did an ultimate degenerate move here. I'm just gonna take my money real quick. I never do this. I just day traded an option real quick for freaking what did I even make on that? $90. A quick 90. Yo, 90% off your penicillin shot. Use code CoveTrader. Hey man, I'm around to help you out in all aspects of life. Man, this yo, Sean, because because I got an eval, I figured I would start up my Ninja Trader again. Bro, this is what it's doing today. I should have put that on a I should have put it on a PA account. I chart using TradingView, yes. John, I have other tabs up. So you're only looking at one of my screens. I have three 24-inch monitors and a laptop. So I'm looking at a lot more than just this. So if you just see me keep trading without flipping tabs, that's because I'm looking at shit on my other screen. I'm using Squid Ink all over your face. Squid Scalper? Squid Scalper 25 TP 30 stop. Yo, you want to see it? I'll just show you, dude. Check. Took a loss there. 250, 125, 250, 125. I mean, I would shut it down for the day, but dude, the YM's about to dump. I'm letting it run. Does Bulenox not? No, they pay Lucas. I've been paid by them. I feel dirty scalping this. Honestly, this is all just freaking. Watch, they're gonna trade back up to like 78 and then drop it. Trade back up to 78 and drop it. Heard? Nah. I'll be honest with you. No, Maria was buying them, and I was saying that the activation fee is high. I have a bull here. I have a Bullnuts master. Look, this is a funded account. I have a funded account with them. I don't not recommend them. I think there's a place for them. I think the price being at 91% is good. I actually, you know what? If you paid 150 activation fee and you passed 1 in 3, you have a funded account for like $200. The only issue you have with Bulenox is you got to get to $53,600 to get a payout. Are they easy to pass? It's just like it's the same thing as Apex. It's you got to get $3,000, and then it's a trailing drawdown. Same thing. I'll even put it back. I'm going to put it back in the scrolling thing. 91%. By the way, trade day is back to 40% off. Trade day is back to 40% off, which is good. Bullnuts, 91% off. I try to put all the deals that are decent at the bottom scrolly thing. I also do them here. I also put all the deals and stuff. I link right there as well. Man, this thing is just going for it. What are there any indicators you like to use with TradingView? This is my setup. Yo, something stopped working though on this. Look, New York high, open, Asia high. Something just happened with Spaceman. Spaceman just stopped. That's fucking weird. London Yo, it's pulling like yesterday's shit. Oh, I'm gonna have to delete this and re-get it. That was fucking weird. These are all my settings, though. I don't want any mids. So my time is slightly off, by the way. My clock is one off. For whatever reason, it's only on this fucking thing. So this is my there we go. ETH longs? Dude, don't even get me started. I was dude, I was in Sol long. 15x leverage. Let me see where it's at. Bro. I'm still in another account that I share with somebody. So if Sol stays around here, it comes back down a little bit, I'll jump back in this account. Otherwise, I'm still in it in another account that I share with somebody. I go splitsies with somebody on a crypto account. I like Sol. I'm so long. I can't get back in until I get off the stream because I gotta swap. Um, oh, I got way too much shit open right now. I saw this coming from a mile away. I was running Mexi. Um, yeah, I got too much shit open. I got my crypto shit open. I got like wealth charts open. Um, I got way too many shit going on. Yeah, I like solely upside. I was posting about it at like I think like 6:30 last night. I was posting in the Discord. Yo, Ali, did you take your money out? Tell me you took your money out, man. Tell me you took your money. Are they going to come down, or are they just going to rip it right here back up? Woo! I got to see it. I got to see this. Seeing if I got the tab open already. I do not. I'm going. Yo, Knob, are you here right now or no? Yo, this is Ali. Boom. Such a banger, man. That's awesome. Yo, smash the old confetti. I'm smashing it for you, man. That's awesome. Did that just not fucking film me? I'd be up $200 already. There's 2 contracts. I'd been up $200. What sucks is like this was the scalp I was looking for, and it just didn't film me. That sucks. I should have gotten filled all the way down here. I was just looking for a quick scalp. That's all. Just looking for some quick money. What sucks is if I got filled down here, it would have been like $400. Unbelievable. Oh, man. Kind of got a massive cup and handle if you look at it. Crazy. Oh, man. I am tired. Yo. Yo, La Rosa has 56 minutes left. Just woke up. Good morning. Good morning. Cove, what would you do if you accidentally traded too many contracts yesterday in one of your? I would just keep it moving, Matt. Who cares? I would just keep it moving, and if they say something, you just got to trade extra days, right? So who cares? So Bulenox is 91% off right now. So they're $16.50 or something like that. Yo, what up, Newts? I don't know, man. I would have to look because I use other things on the back end. Bull nuts. Josh, I'm moving to Tasty Trade, by the way. Bull nuts. I'm moving to Tasty Trade. Well, you got to think about it. If you pass 1 in 3 accounts, it's $200 for a funded. You know, I just look by the cost of getting funded. Oh, I didn't use it for the cloud bot. Oh, why Tasty? Tasty has a thing that on top of regular regular margin, they'll give you 2-to-1 instead of 1.5-to-1. But they also have a thing called portfolio margin where you could trade even more. You can go as high as 7-to-1. Not that I'm going to. I'm just saying that what they have available. You need to have a balance in the account though, like so when you open the account up, it has to have over 170 grand in it, and you have to maintain 150. They said on their thing it says 151. Yeah, I'll show you. It does either way. It doesn't matter to me personally, so it actually doesn't matter. But I'll just show you what they said. But yeah, either way, I'm over it. But funding requirements for portfolio margin accounts. 175 to activate it. Afterwards, customers must maintain 150 of their securities account to keep portfolio margin active. I mean, either way, I'm over it, Josh. But I just, for the information of the stream, I just wanted to, because Chris was asking. But yeah, I'm not a Schwab fan to be. I jumped off. I had an account for a little bit at Schwab just to test it out. I didn't like it that much. I've been with E-Trade forever. I want to say I've been with E-Trade. I was looking back. I think I've been with E-Trade since 2011. I'm not trading futures though, Nick. All it is for me to click a button on something that the best platform in the game, I think, is E-Trade. Honestly, I don't think you could beat the E-Trade Power platform they got, but I'm kind of just selling all my shit out. So if you're trading futures, Nick, I would go with like Ninja or Amp or something like that. Why are you selling all your real estate, Matt? I've never used TradeStation in my life, and people have been using it since I've been trading. Probably, I just never used TradeStation. I had two buildings at one. I had three buildings at one time. Uh, one was an apartment building, and one was like a multi unit 3-floor commercial building where retail and offices and whatnot. Yo, real estate is definitely not passive. Um, so it's different in different parts of the country. In New York, if you own 20 units, so 20 doors, whether it be a one building, 20 apartments, whatever it is, once you're over 20, it makes sense to money wise also to get a property manager. But that's like the tipping point is like 20 doors. Get under this blue line. Dude, tenants could be really bad or they could be really good. I've had some really good tenants. Bro, I had this tenant. She she added me on Facebook. So it was this girl. She lived alone. At the time I was 35, she was probably 31. And like she would call me up to be like, "Can you fix my sink?" Or like, and I would go over and like all you got to do is unscrew the thing because the mesh was on there, and the water where the building was located, they would do a lot of water work, so they would shut the water off, turn it off, and you basically had to every once in a while clean the screens out. Um, and once I got in there, she'd be like, "Yo, you want to smoke with me on the couch? You want to hang out?" Yo, she would want to hang out with me all the time. And then she added me on Facebook. Dude. Yeah, trying to get that free rent. Bro, I didn't. I didn't do anything. I mean, I kept it so fucking professional, and like I would leave the building and get in my car and I'd be like, "Oh my god. What am I doing with my life?" I'm like, "Do I go back in? Do I go back in?" Dude. Uh I don't know. She wasn't better looking than the girl I was dating at the time. No. She was like a hippie pretty much. She was just like cool, like she would just call me down to do the stupidest stuff. We're getting back over the imbalance here. Probably gonna get stopped. There you go, Maria. Did you get the Take Profit Trader hooked up? No, I don't know. Yeah, then they get free dog walks. Yeah, I didn't want to give free rent out. I wasn't giving out free rent. Um, they don't make it easy. Yo, I used to get in the car and call my boys up and be like, "Bro, you have no idea what just happened." Are they just gonna blast this thing up? You know, even if you did like, huh, they stopped me out at the fucking top. They stopped me out on the top to pull this shit. Bro, they better sell this through. Oh man, am I just playing fucking games with this thing? Dude, I was just I was in this funded account and I filed that in Wealth Charts. Wealth Charts had 4 minis down. That was just a 7 mini fucking funded account trade. That's why I saw 3 here and 4 on my other screen. I got topped. You ain't kidding, Knob. I hate all-time high trading, Josh. This shit sucks. That and like the market needs a fucking pullback. Market needs a pullback here, and it's just not doing it. It's just not doing it. Apex warned me for using more than 5 minis in a funded. Did they give you a little spanking, Fred? Yo, Steve Trades, look at the 15. Yo, if anybody's new, anyone new on the stream, come say what's up in the chat. We want to hear from you. Yeah, it doesn't look great. You're just wicking. Probably head back down to London High at some point. What's up, people of the chat? Welcome, welcome. What the fuck? Dude, you got to change your name from male gossip is a disease to something else. We need to be able to call it. I can't call you disease. Or maybe I just call you disease until you change it. I don't know. No. I mean, I don't know what to do. What do I do? His name's up there. What up, disease? You know, I don't know. Well, what do you hit him with? Dude, gold? Bro. I don't know about gold. Yo, Zaybak, it's so true. Like, my wife tells me some gossip, and like literally, this is the problem though. She'll tell me some gossip, and then I will be in front of these fucking people like a week later, and I'll bring up something, and all of a sudden it's super fucking awkward because I don't remember what the gossip is because I don't even give a shit. You know, like, yo, what's up? Where's your husband at? Oh no, we you know, we're getting divorced. Your wife knows about it. And I'm like, oh, now I remember, but I forgot because I don't listen to any of that shit. So, you know, I don't remember any of it. I was crying my wife's shoulders. Bro, I got my wife telling me how many more decisions a day she makes than me. How's that bullshit? She tells me that when she teaches 4 classes a day at a fucking for sixth graders, that she's making so many more decisions than me all day. Bro, I was like, in what fucking world are you making more decisions than me? I got my wife. I got my wife complaining about our boyfriend to me right now. Tyler. Oh shit. Would you love me if I was a worm? I know. I'm down like fucking 8K in a trade, and she's asking if I would love her if she was a worm. Oh man, that was a good fucking short. I can't believe they stopped me out and then they dumped it. I got fucking top ticked. Hey man, a shoulder to cry on. Yo, you and Josh, baby. You know what a shoulder to cry on becomes. Yo, if you want, you can Google it. Yo, someone's Googling. A shoulder to cry on becomes a. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yo, we need a fucking. Yeah. Yeah, Josh. I'll get canceled. YouTube will cancel me. They'll give me a slapping. They got the They got the translating thing happens on the back end. They know everything you say. You riddled it. Oh, wee. Yeah. It's so crazy that YouTube does that shit though. They transcribe your whole video. Trump is in. I got 3 years. 3 years left. Oh man. He's so poetic. Yo, I thought we would go red today. How crazy is it? We were up. Actually, we were up here. And I said, watch us go red today. I still think there's a chance of us going red today. Is that crazy to say? Yo, that's some bear flag. Holy shit. Look at this fucking thing. I don't even know how to chart the PO3, to be honest with you. I grabbed the long at 508 at 605. The market reopened. I went long. I went long because of I was looking at the hourly and the 4 hour. Dude, I'm open to learning anything, man. I'm not one of those guys that are like, oh man, I don't want to fucking learn. No, man. Yo, if you put it in the Discord, I'll 1,000% watch. Yeah, man. You know how many things I got up on my chart on my screen from people that are like, yo, you need to look at this, or Knob told me about the force stochastics. I have that up. Like, I'll do whatever, man. I'm always interested. Can't hurt. It obviously works. People do it. Dude, where has Ian been? Do you think Ian just got smoked? Or where has Ian been? I'm curious. Dude, I liked Ian in the chat, man. He'd be like, burn this place to the fucking ground. And you'd be like, yeah, man. I'm just looking for a scalp. Probably not going to get it. It's already fucking selling through. Bro, I wonder what happened to Ian and AD's cat. Those are two things that I'll never know. Listen, I have some smelly hockey socks. Is there a market for that? Bro, if you were a hot chick, there'd be a market for that. You'd be selling those socks fucking thousands. Remember, keep your stops small all the time. Dude, we're at all-time highs. I don't know what happened to him. Peter Thiel? I have not seen that interview. I know who Peter Thiel is, though. Bro, here's my reversal indicator. Dude. I liked him. If this gets all the way down here, I'm going to take this with a Dude, I want to bounce right off. I want to bounce right off of this fucking. I'll put it on. I got a thing I want to watch during I want to watch something during lunch already. But I'll put it in my queue of things to watch. Um the fuck happened? Oh, the fucking Ryder Cup. I got the Ryder Cup coming by me next week. Next weekend's the Ryder Cup. Dude, are they not going to come down and get my orders? It's kind of fucked. I might take this if we get back above here, by the way. My stop would be 40. It's got to close up there, though. I would rather see this come down. Bro, who the fuck is calling me? Dude, I don't even know who that is. Gold is dead? Is gold just dying? Dude, it's not moving at all. Look at that. Bro, why is gold not moving? Why did gold just stop? I'll risk it. Are they not going to come down and get my fucking orders? Oh, that's so trash. Tuh, this is why I don't play gold. Prime fucking reason I don't play gold. I can never win on gold. I'm not even going to fucking try. I'm going to keep my stop fucking tight, though. I'm not risking much at all. It's got to go through. I really want it to come down here. It's just fucking not. Dude, it's so crazy. It looked like it would just fucking die. It did. It was just there, and all of a sudden, it just popped. It's going to come down to 15. Come on, come down, 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 come down to 20, 14, 20, 14. Give one big push. One big tush push. No, not going to. Not going to. Dude, I can't do that. I just can't play fucking gold. I don't even know why gold moves. I don't really sports bet, Matt. I used to play DraftKings a lot, like the nightly for basketball. I actually was really, really good at it. Um, I was really good at it, and then I stopped. They banned it in New York, and I went to Vegas. I won 20 grand that week, and then they banned it. I went to Vegas, and then it was banned for a while, I think. And I never got back into it. Dude, you like gold over NQ? They've been down. That's for when they push you live, I think. Black Beauty. When they push you live, I think it becomes uh I'm such a sucker. I'm taking this over 50. Come on. At least get me out of fucking a 5-piece McNugget up here. Come on. That's the least you can do is get me out of that one. I like them dirty, Tyler. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fuck me, man. I'm stuck. I am fucking stuck. Let me see what he was talking about with cloud bots. Come on. Come on. We're right the fuck there. Is this really not going to go? There. I took fucking, dude, I'm just going to fucking break even. I already just took off fucking $50. This is just not, it's just not going how I really want it to. If it goes, it goes. But I got to go eat something. Come on, Trump. Tweet. Yo, you passed it by 1 penny? The old 1 penny pass? I'll give you the old clap. The old clapperoo. Honestly, I just sold out. I'm basically even on the day. I'm just making sure I'm not in any other fucking accounts here. Yo, I'm going to grab something to eat. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader below. I'll be back in 2 hours. We'll do some account giveaways. We'll hang out. The Discord link's in the description if you want to hang out in the Discord. I am out. I got to eat. I'll be back in 2 hours. Past 2 accounts today. Yo, awesome job. Awesome job, man. Keep it rolling. Yo, I'll be in the Discord. I'll hang out. I just got to eat something real quick. I got to make one of those banana sandwiches. All right. Peace.